Hello, welcome to my channel. A very easy breakfast recipe that you can make with just one potato and one tortilla. Did you know you can easily make it in 5 minutes? 1 medium potato. Open the stove and put the pan on it. For 2 5 tablespoons vegetable oil. Chop the potato with the potato peeler as shown in the video. My name is Tugba. I am in Turkey. I wonder where you are watching from. I post delicious videos for you on my channel. I would be very happy if you support me by liking and commenting. Finally, chop the last part of the potato with a knife. Place the potatoes evenly in the pan. Have you ever made such an easy breakfast recipe? Some salt. Of course, there are those who make this easy recipe for dinner. Three eggs. I break the eggs into the pan. You can break the eggs when you see the potatoes fried from the bottom. I mix the eggs gently. I'm adding some chili peppers. Some black pepper. One tortilla bread. Press the bread gently with your hand and stick it on it. Turn the other side carefully. Make the bottom of the bread blush well. For 4 to 5 slices of cheddar cheese, you can also use any cheese you want. Don't you think it's an easy recipe? Double in the middle. The cheese is started to melt. Remove from the fire after the cheese melts. I put it on a hot serving plate. And we consume it by slicing it without wasting any time. It was really incredibly delicious. You can eat with pleasure. Crispy outside. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. If you want to see my new videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye, enjoy.